We want to find the most general antiderivative of this function. So we had a function, capital F of x, we took the derivative, and this is what we got. Now, when we took the derivative, we probably would not end up with something in this form because here we have a product and we have a power. And so what I'm going to want to do is multiply this out so that I can see what the function would be, so I can think of sort of going backwards and figuring out what function this is the derivative of. So if I multiply this out, I'm going to have x times 4 minus 4x plus x squared, and then if we distribute that through, we've got 4x minus 4x squared plus x cubed. And that's the form we're going to want to have this in to find the most general antiderivative. So what function, I can do this term by term, has this as a derivative? If I look at 4x, well, that would have needed to be one higher power, so that would have been an x squared, but the 2 would have come out in front, but I have a 4 in front, so there must have been a 2 there. So when I move the power out in front, I get the 4, decrease the power by 1, and it looks just like that. So looking at this one, it must have had the negative on there, and it needed to be one higher power, so that would be an x cubed. But when I bring the 3 out in front, here I have a 4. So the 4 is still there, but I would need to divide by 3. I need the reciprocal of the 3, so that when I bring the 3 out in front, the 3's cancel, and then I'm left with negative 4x, and then decreased power by 1 would be a squared. So then I've got a positive here, and this one would be one higher power, which would be an x to the 4th, but I don't see a 4 out in front, so I need the reciprocal of that. And now when I bring the 4 out in front, the 4's cancel, decrease the power by 1, and it looks just like that. It says the most general antiderivative, so there could be any kind of a constant on the end, so I need to put on there plus c.